So if I do half an eye, one eye in the middle, another eye, and half an eye, I have accurate proportion. So you're 5 eyes across. So we know that one eye has to be in the middle. So I'm going to draw my one eye in the middle, and then I'm going to draw these eyes, right? I have to make that just a little bit bigger. And then I'd have half an eye and half an eye. That tells me I have to bring my face in a little bit because I have to hit that halfway mark. Proportion? Okay, so now we have where the eyes go, we have where the mouth is. If I come down the center of the eyeball, that is where your mouth fits in. Straight down the center of the eyeball. If I come under this third, see how it curves a little bit? I come under that curve, that's the top of the ear, come down to the nose line, that's the bottom of the ear. So over here, pretty easy, right? Hairline. This is your forehead. When people start to draw, I have no idea why they do this. I cannot explain it. I've been teaching this for 30 years, and I promise you, when people start to draw, they always make their forehead short. They'll start a hairline down here. I want you to feel your hairline to your eyebrow. Just feel it for a minute. Hold that spacing. Now take that and see from your eyebrow to your nose. Feel it? Then from your nose to your chin. Okay? Where does your hair start? All the way up there, doesn't it? But people want to draw it down here. Why? I don't know. This, people, is your hairline. It's up there. See it? Way up there. Okay? So, now, nostrils, if I could go into depth and teach you a lot, like I could show you the arch off of the eyebrow that creates our nose bone. I can show you the circle formation here that creates the cheek area. I can show you the one here that comes in and does the chin. The chin is 2/3 up at the bottom. I can show you coming straight down from the inside of your nostril creates a heart shape that we all know is the lip. The bottom lip is wider than the top lip. Yada yada. I can come in here and teach you all the other little details, but I'm just giving you the basics. So truthfully, now, if it's a man, check this out. Is that simple? But what if it's a woman? I have to divide from the corner of the mouth and the ear, drop down, and difference between man and woman. Women's necks are smaller. Women's necks come from behind and curve. Men's necks come from the back and go straight down. Men have an Adam's apple. Women don't. So we are different here in the structure. That's where it's different. Okay? So any drawing I can make female male, it's just by a matter of the bone structure. So say this is, we're going to make him a man. Okay? We're just going to go with a man because you guys are outnumbered here today, so it'd be more fun, right? Plus I don't have to draw as much hair if it's a guy. Well, I don't know. Maybe he has funky hair. All right? So you've got the male figure. Now, a baby. How do you draw the proportions of a child? It's easy. Remember the oval? Our oval becomes more circular. We divide a baby halfway up in the arch. These are the eyebrows, same rules, halfway down the eye. Now look at this. Half of a baby is their forehead. They grow into their heads. That's why when they're born, they're the cutest things in the whole world because their eyes, your eyes are the same size the rest of your life they are when you're born. Did you know that? They'll stay the same size. Look how big they are on a baby then, before you grow into them. So now look, we're gonna come down and we're gonna do this little guy. Now look, oh my gosh. Isn't that so much cuter? Babies, do they have necks? Barely. So here's a baby's neck. Look at that. Little bitty ears, look. From that to their nose, look at their little ear. Right under that, look at that, just little bitty. So here you have a baby. Look how different the proportions are. Now I can take you through the